Lego man at?
Right here.
All right, make him stand with something. How about make him stand with one of these?
I got him to stand.
All right. Rowing. Let's go. Whoa! That was weird. Oh, that's weird. But God. I swear to God, we put it right. Swear to God, we put them right here. Oh my God. Yeah! Yeah! That's God's father! Now let's put it right here. Right here. Oh my God! He ran over! Alright, let's put them on right there where the camera's facing. Keep it where it is.
No, put him right here.
Right. Lego man got hit by a car! Like 50 times.
Alright, now.
Now,
Look at it now. Where's the Lego man?
he's gone. He's ready. Turn it down. Turn it down. Turn it off. The first step. You don't have a controller. You have to put it right here. Let's roll. With a fire car.